Welcome to Tech Tycoon. Military personnel require vehicles they can count on to move them in and out of harm's way over any terrain while protecting them from threats both known and unknown. Military vehicles are nevertheless intriguing beasts that draw the attention of more patrol heads than you might think. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 most advanced military vehicles. If you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Number 10. Humvee. The Humvee is a family of light four-wheel drive military trucks and utility vehicles produced by AM General. It has already been replaced in some capacities with MRAP vehicles like the Cougar, but its 31 years of service have made it one of the most iconic military vehicles ever built. It was primarily used by the United States military. It is also used by numerous other countries and organizations and even in civilian adaptations. Number 9. Volvo TP21. The Volvo PV800 series was a taxi cab manufactured by Volvo between 1938 and 1958. Using the PV800 series taxi as a base, Volvo created the TP21, an off-roading military communications vehicle for the Swedish Armed Force built from 1953 to 1958. Though somewhat difficult to find these days, Sugas have become favorites of off-roaders all over the world. And with the rugged capabilities of these unique vehicles, we can see why they remain in demand. Number 8. Cougar 666. It is the family of armored vehicles produced by Force Protection Inc., which manufactures ballistics and mine-protected vehicles. The Cougar is an MRAP and infantry mobility vehicle structured to be resistant to landmines and improvised munitions. These vehicles are protected against small arms, landmines, and improvised explosive devices using a combination of design features and materials to protect both the crew and the engine compartment against a wide range of attacks. Number 7. Willys Jeep. Willys had registered Jeep as a brand name in 1943 itself. After the war, lots of Jeep entered the market as military surplus. When the demand started picking up, Willys rolled out of the CJ model in 1954. As with the Schwimmwagen, the old Willys perhaps isn't the most badass looking military vehicle. The new iconic vertical slot grille design still used by Jeep today was actually developed by Ford in its GPW version of the MB. Powered by Willys Hurricane petrol engine, it had both two-wheel and four-wheel variants. Number 6. BVS 10 Viking. This vehicle, referred to as the all-terrain vehicle or Viking by the US forces, was originally developed as a collaboration between Hägglunds Vehicle AB and the UK Ministry of Defence on behalf of the Royal Marines. The Viking consists of a 2.2 meter 5-ton front car and a 2.1 meter 3.5-ton rear car. It'll go through pretty much any terrain you stick in front of it and is fully amphibious. It is a much larger and fully amphibious armored vehicle based upon the characteristics twin cab articulated steering system typical of Hägglunds all-terrain vehicles. Number 5. Fenech. Fenech is a four-wheeled armed reconnaissance vehicle produced by the German company Krauss-Maffei Wegmann and Dutch Defense Vehicle System. Named after the Fenech Fox, this curiously low and wide-looking armored reconnaissance vehicle is in service for both the German and the Dutch army. The primary mission equipment is an observation package mounted on an extendable mast. Sensors include a thermal imager, daylight camera, and a laser rangefinder. Number 4. Caspian Sea Monster. The Caspian Sea Monster was an experimental ground effect vehicle dropped in the Soviet Union in 1960s by the Central Hydrofoil Design Bureau. It is a ground effect vehicle using a wing that generates a cushion of air for the craft to ride on, enabling it to skim over the water. It eventually crashed, unrecoverable from the ocean depths thanks to its sheer weight. However, a smaller version did eventually see the service in the Soviet military. Number 3. HDT Storm SRTV. It was the winner of the Guardian Angel Air Deployable Rescue Vehicle competition awarded by the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center. SRTV is designed to be airdropped just outside the enemy craft range from where it goes behind the enemy lines to retrieve crew from the shot down aircraft. This power pack consists of 430 HP engine to propel a relatively modest 1700 kg vehicle plus long travel suspension and chunky tires. Matt Williams point out it's pretty much a weaponized military trophy truck. It can fit aboard a variety of aircraft. Number 2. Marauder. The Marauder is an armored, mine-protected vehicle that is produced by Paramount Group in South Africa. The South African-built Marauder was a popular choice on the original community thread, weighing up to 13,000 kg and powered by a 6-cylinder diesel engine. It was launched during the 2007 International Defense Exhibition and Conference in Abu Dhabi, the largest arms exhibition in the Middle East. Number 1. Volkswagen Schwimmwagen. The Volkswagen Type 128 and 166 Schwimmwagen were amphibious four-wheel drive off-roaders used extensively by German ground forces during the Second World War. Over 14,000 of these things were built between 1942 to 1944, with the Type 166 version being crowned the most produced amphibious car ever made. Ferdinand Porsche's first car body designer was forced to develop an all-new unitized body top structure since the flat four pan chassis of the existing Volkswagen vehicles was unsuited to smooth movement through water. Hope you guys liked the video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.